what's going on. We got the hurricane tracking right now. Hurricane Idalia. Not really sure how to say it. But the hurricane that's going up along the west side of Florida of diameter, it is a massive, massive storm. And it's moved pretty fast. If it keeps up its current speed, it will more than likely be making landfall. It's kind of making landfall already, I think, from what the radar looks like and the satellite pictures. But it will be up in the armpit of Florida, right where Cedar Key is, which is just around the bend from where I'm at in Florida. But we'll see. Just so you're aware, the storm's coming. It will be there probably tomorrow.